You just look at the movies and you feel like, man, everything is already done. What do I do? Iron Man, do you think Iron Man is a new concept? Then what about this Mahabharata's Karna? Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contro Podcast. You are listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you will become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. Hey there, Sanjay here. People just think a lot in their life. Just to start a company, just to do something by their own. When you just think like you want to start a new startup, I have plenty of people who tell me this. What do I do in my life? Everything out there is already being done. You need an online e-commerce store that has been done. You need someone to pick you up when you are on the middle of unknown street, that's already done. You need to navigate through some other place, that's already done. You need food to your table by sitting in your home, that's already done. Everything out there is already done. I don't have any idea, I don't have any original idea. What do I do? What do I do in my entire life? There was some myth out there in this entire world saying that if you just go to some unknown place, you will be so horrible. I mean, you will be so scared. But even that has been eliminated just because Airbnb and many things out there in the internet. But what is one original idea that you need to take out there in this entire world and try start doing a new project, or try start doing a new company, or try starting a startup? Well, to be true, my take on it is everything out there, every single product, every single service, every single story has already been done, has already been said. You just look at the movies and you feel like, man, everything is already done. What do I do? Iron Man, do you think Iron Man is a new concept? Then what about this Mahabharata's Karna? You guys have to think about it. That is already been done. But how do you do that matters a lot. Everything, every story has been already said, but you haven't done that yet. You need to do that in your own way. That is how things are. That is the most unique thing. Your brain, it's completely unique, and you need to understand that everything that generates in your brain, that idea is completely unique. Start working on that one unique thing that you always wanted to do. So don't worry about the competitors. It might sound something that you are replicating it. It might sound similar. It might sound identical. But one small thing that changes, that is the amazing thing that will make your product work. There's Amazon, there's AliExpress, and there's Amazon, there's Flipkart. What's the difference? You guys have no idea what's the difference. But how are they both surviving in this country? You need to think about it. There are something that is unique, and you might have one unique idea too. So start working on that. I'll meet you guys at the top.